Hey everyone, say hello. Today we have a super interesting fun fact about our feline friends. Did you know that to your cat, you are their pet?
It sounds funny, but it makes perfect sense when we observe cat behavior. Let's understand why. First of all, cats are known for their independent nature. They love to explore and adventure on their own, without needing as much attention or supervision as dogs. This makes it seem like they are in control of their own lives, and ours too. Cats like to have their own space. They move away when they want to be alone and only come back when they're ready to interact. Who controls the house dynamics? They do, of course.